It's a girl!
It's a boy!
My guess is a girl.
Bayaw, kailangan pa bang hulaan yan? Sigurado ako, it's a boy!
Tito Jarvin and Tita Criselda's baby gender reveal, I will think it's a girl.
Giging anak ni na Jarvin at saka si Criselda ay babaeng babae.
Ang hula ko na anak nila Kuya Jarvin at Ate Criselda ay babae.
Tihulak. Baby girl.
I guess it's a baby boy. It's
B.
Oh, why?
It's a boy. Hi Chris. Hi Jarvin. Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Congratulations girls. The both of you.
Congratulations!
It's a boy. God bless you both. Stay safe, buntis. Finally, nabuntis na. Is it a baby boy or a baby girl?
Baby girl.
Baby girl.
Yay!
Ang hula namin ay...
Girl o boy?
Boy.
At ako naman ay... boy! Ching!
Ang hula ko, lalaki. Hello, Tita Chris. Your baby is a girl.
It's a girl.
Hello, Jarvin. Congrats to you. I hope it's a boy. Let's see.
Kuya Jarbs, Ate Chris, I guess your baby is a girl.
It's a boy! Hello, Kuya Jarbs, Ate Chris. It's a girl! Yay! Team Jarvina for the win. Yes! Bye-bye!
Hi, Javin. It's a boy.
Hi, Jarbs and Chris. Congratulations. I'm happy to both of you. My guess is twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we wonder what you are. It's a girl.
Hi, Kuya. I think it's a girl. Is it a boy
Or a girl?
or a girl? Game?
Game! Puto ka na!
Wala!
Ay!
Why?
Huwag naman siya maglisan.
Paano rin malalaman ko?
Wala!
First three, di ba?
First three.
First three.
Mauubos ka.
Ay! Wala!
Isa na lang!
Bakit ka na?
Isa na lang!
It's a
Bakit wala ko?
Sure ka?
Nabubos. Bakit na kukuha? Oy, It's a girl! It's a girl! Ano na?
Nanalo ka. Ulit. It's a girl! Ulit. It's a girl. It's a girl! Ayun, picture na. Picture na kayo.
Hindi.
TikTok. Hindi. Hindi dito. Ang tawag na dito, Instagram na.
TikTok.
Bakit yung katawan mo sumasama?
TikTok na ron.
Okay ka. Sa end lang.
Hindi na ako play. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Is it a boy?
Or a girl?
Or a girl? Ano yun? Sorry, tawag ulit nga. Ano yung may kwan kayo? May talk show kayo? Siyempre na ako.
Oo nga.
Ina?
Iilaw lang yan. Nagraran? Ayan.
Yan. Is it a boy?
Or a girl?
Or a girl? Bakit parang dapat ganun?